In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money to Switzerland with Remitly. To get started, open your Remitly account and make sure you're signed in properly before continuing. Once you're on the main screen, look at the country shown at the top of the app or website. Tap or click there and select Switzerland as the destination country. This is an important first step because it makes sure the transfer options, payment methods, and delivery choices are set up correctly for Switzerland. After selecting the country, go ahead and click Send Money. This will take you into the transfer setup process. At this stage, Remitly may show you saved recipients if you've sent money before. If the person you want to send money to is already saved in your contacts, simply select their name to continue. This can save time and reduce the chance of entering their information again. If the recipient is not already saved, choose New Contact. You'll then need to select their country, making sure it matches the destination for the transfer. Enter the recipient's details carefully as requested on the screen. It's always a good idea to double-check spelling and account information before moving forward, since even small mistakes can delay a transfer. Next, enter the amount you want to send. As you do this, pay attention to the exchange rate, fees, and the amount the recipient will actually receive. This helps you confirm that the transfer matches your expectations before you continue. Once the amount is entered, select the delivery method. The options available may vary depending on the transfer setup, so choose the one that works best for your recipient. After that, select your payment method. Remitly may offer different ways to pay, so choose the option that is most convenient and suitable for you, then click Continue. At this point, you'll be asked to enter the recipient's account details if needed. Fill everything in carefully and review the information before submitting. From there, simply follow the prompts on your screen to complete the transfer. Before confirming, take a moment to review all the details one last time, including the recipient information, the send amount, and the delivery method. This final check can help prevent errors and make the process smoother. And that's it. Once everything is confirmed, your money transfer to Switzerland will be on its way through Remitly.